Welcome back, everybody. So we're back with a new video, and we're going to load up our Vload voucher to our Hugo's FX broker account. Now, for those of you that haven't seen the previous videos, you should check them out if you have troubles getting everything set up with IML. If you have any questions, be sure to reach out to your leader, and they should be able to help you out. Or else, just watch these videos, and you should be able to figure it out. So on the last video, we loaded up our Vload voucher. Depending on what tier you're at, that's how much money that you're going to have. So now we're going to load it up onto Hugo's Way. And so the first thing that we're going to do is that we're going to check our email, because in our email that we got from Vload, if you bought a voucher, it was going to send you an email with a PIN. And we're going to need that PIN in a couple of seconds here, and I'm going to show you why. So if we go over to our dashboard right here, and if you log in, this is what the dashboard looks like. And so now we're going to deposit the funds into our broker account. So we're going to click on deposit funds right here. Here, I'm going to do this. Maybe this will help a little bit. Deposit funds right here. And then from here, we're going to select a wallet. And we're going to use USD because that's the currency that we're going to be using. And we're going to select type of how we're going to deposit money. And since we are using Vload, that is what we're going to click off. And then from here, we're going to put in the amount that we purchased on the Vload. And when you click there, it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. And you're going to be able to put in that PIN that you got in an email from Vload. Okay, so, and if you didn't get that email, which I'm pretty sure everybody does if you purchase a voucher, you should have the PIN in your email. So you put the PIN in here, and then you would have your money deposited into your account. And if we go back here, once that happens, in your dashboard, it'll show you, or on your deposited funds, it'll show you that it has been approved. Now, it may take a few minutes depending on, I'm not too sure, but it should show up. Mine did pretty much a couple minutes later, so everything should work out. If you have any questions, be sure to leave a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Or if you're in our group, be sure to reach out to me. And hope everyone has a great day, and let's start trading.